Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. So students, we are going to solve some questions of exercise 4B, chapter number 4, rational numbers. Okay. Now let's take it started. Question number 1 is here. First, represent each of the following rational numbers on the number line. In such a question, first of all, we have to draw a line, a number line. Then we have to insert the whatever number. Okay, let's see. Here is the 10 sub questions. Okay, now we have to solve any two questions. First, have a look question number 9. First, see the question number 9. Okay, here 36 upon minus 5. We have to represent this number on the number line. First of all, we have to draw the line. Here, have a look. Okay, now write the label. This is, here is 0, right side plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot 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 so on, and the left side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Okay, and this is minus 7 and minus 8 and so on. Now first of all, solve this question here. First of all, to make the denominator as positive. Okay, if you multiply minus 1 in numerator and denominator, then we will get minus 36 by 5. Okay, so this can be written as here minus 7 1 by 5. Why? Because 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 1 is 36, and 36 by 5. Okay, or this can be written as, this is the mixed fraction, and you know about the mixed fraction means natural numbers, sum of natural numbers and proper fraction. So this can be written as 7 plus 1 by 5. So have a look this, but this is the negative sign. We have to see left side of 0. Okay, now see the 7th. So here is minus 7 because this is the left side. Here is, have a look, this is the minus 7. Okay, here is minus 7, and 1 by 5, that means 1 by 5, that means this length from 6 to 7 units, this length can be divided into 5 equal parts. Now I have already divided this unit length is 5 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 equal parts. This also ones. So this can be written as, that means this is the, here is the minus 7. This can be also written as 5 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this number, here is the, this point, because here is the minus 7. So this point will indicate 1 by 5. Once again, this is 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay, that means here is 7 plus 1 by 5, 7 plus 1 by 5. This becomes minus 36 by 5, or this can be written as 36 by 5. Okay, now suppose next question, question number 5. Have a look. Question number 5. This question number 5 can be written as 37.8. This can be written as, this can be written as because this is 8 4 32, 32 plus 5, 37 by 8. But this is the positive numbers. This can be represented on the number line. Here is the positive number. This is 1 2 3. This can be written as 4 plus 5 by 8. Okay, that means here is the 4 units, and here is the 5 by 8. That means each unit is divided into 8 equal parts. This can, now I am going to divide this unit 1 2 3 4 5 or 6 7. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, or this is 8. Okay, or here is 5 by 8. Count, this is 1 2 3 4 5 8. Here is 5 by 8. So from 0 to 4, this is the 4. From 0 to here, this becomes 4 plus 5 by 8. That means 37 by 8. So this is how to represent numbers on the number line. Okay, and you can label as O, A. This is suppose is 0. This is O, A, B, C, D or E. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, I hope you will get Now friends, here the next question. Which of the following rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? Here is the sub question. First, 5 by 6 or 0. And another question, suppose question number third. Question number, suppose third. So this is 5 by 8 or 3 by 8. That means which of the following rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? Have a look. First of all, this is the 0 and this is the positive number. Positive number is always greater than the 0. So this is greater. Okay. Now next, 5 by 8 or 3 by 8. In such a question, now we have to cross multiply. Okay. Now this is cross multiplication, 5 multiplied by 8. This is also cross multiplication, 8 multiplied by 3. This is 40 and here is 24. That means here is greater. 40 is greater than this, greater than. So this can, 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay, I hope you will get. And you can solve another sub questions. Now next question number third. Which of the following rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? This is the same question as question number second. Okay, you can do it. Now next question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbols of greater than, equal to or less than. Okay. Now friend, the next question, last question number 5. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. Question number 5 says arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. There are 4 sub questions and I have taken only one question as question number second sub question. Okay. First of all, turn all the negative denominators into positive. As suppose this is 5 upon minus 12 can be written as, if you multiply if you multiply 5 with minus 1 in numerator and denominator, this will get minus 5 by plus 12. So this will already turn into positive denominator. Now next, for 9 upon minus 24. Now 9 multiplied by minus 1, minus 24 multiplied by minus 1. This is minus 9 upon 24. That means directly we can write this becomes minus 5 here and this is minus 9. Okay. Now next, now find the LCM of all denominators, 4, 12, 16 and 24. As this is 4, 12, 16, 24. Now friends, the LCM of 4, 12, 16 and 24 becomes 48. Okay. Now see, first of all we have to make all the denominators as 48. Okay. Now see, 4 minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 can be written as minus 3. What number should be multiplied by 4? This is 12. Here is also 12 because 12 4 ja 48. Minus 36. This is 48. Okay. Now next, for minus 5 by 12. We will do for the same. 12 multiplied by 4 becomes 48. Minus 5 also multiplied by 4. Okay. This is minus 20 becomes 48. Now next, for minus 7 by 16. So 16 multiplied by 3 becomes 48. Minus 3 is also multiplied by 3. This becomes minus 21 upon 48. Now the last, minus 9 by 24. Yes, 24 multiplied by 2 becomes 48. Minus 9 is also multiplied by 2. Yes, this is minus 18 upon 48. Have a look. All the denominators are same as 48. Now we have to see the numerators, but all the numerators are negative sign. This is numerically, here minus 36 is numerically greater, but this is the minus sign. This is a small s. Here the minus 6 is a minus 36 is a smallest numbers. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. That means first we have to bring the smallest number. Say here the smallest rational numbers. Now we have to bring the minus 36 by 48. This is the very smallest because this is 36 with negative sign. Then yes, minus 21 upon 48. Yes, then minus 20 by 48. Okay. Now then minus 18 by 48. Now instead of this rational number, we have to place this original numbers. This is minus 36 by 48. Minus 36 by 48 is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Okay. Greater than This becomes minus 21st. Minus 21st is, yes, minus 7 by 16 less than, and this becomes next minus 5 by 12 or minus 9 by 24. So this is your answer. So you can solve the next question. Your homework, please note down, your homework is question number 1 to 5, exercise 4b, chapter number 4, rational numbers, class 7. Okay, I hope you will do it. Okay.